Let's see representing fraction on number line. This is a number line which I have drawn. Now what I am doing, I'm dividing each unit. This is one unit, this is another unit, this is third unit, and so on. I'm dividing each unit into 5 portions, right? Just to show you. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It has to be equal. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is fifth one. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Same way. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I'm doing till here. Now if I take, let's take this point. What is this representing? It is less than 1, right? So how many portions I have made of this one whole? 5 portions. So what will be my denominator? This, let it be A. So A will be down, it will be 5 because I have divided this whole unit into 5 portions. Now this point is representing how many portion of that 5 portions? 1, 2, 3, 4. So A will be representing 4 upon 5. Okay, let's take one another point over here. Let's take it B. Now B is what? This from 0 I will start. It contains one complete thing. So B will contain one complete thing. And how much more it will contain? Again this whole thing is divided into 5 portions. So I'll write here 5. This one is complete. 5. And what is this? 1, 2, 3. So this B will represent 1, 3 by 5. This will be written in between this two. It's a mixed fraction. So B on number line is representing from 0. We will see how much it will represent. One whole complete portion and 3 by 5 portion of this portion, this section. Same way you can say, take this point. This is again, let it be C. So C will be how much? 2 complete portion from 0. So it will be 2. And how many portions of this one thing? It will be 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 4 upon 5. So this is how we represent fraction. Now if I say mark 3, 3 by 7. This denominator shows number of portion one unit is divided into, right? 3, 3 by 7. This 7 shows the number of unit one portion is divided into. So this, how many complete portions are there? 3. So let's start from here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 complete portions are there. So till here, so it will surely travel. Now 3 upon 7. That means one division is divided into 7 portions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 3 upon 7. 1, 2, 3. So this portion is representing 3, 3 by 7. Right? Why? Because I have to even consider this complete 3. So I will travel till 3, and how many more portions I will take? 3 by 7. If it was just 3 by 7, I have to represent just 3 by 7. Will I travel any one portion? There is no whole. It is less than 1. So this 3 by 7 will be somewhere here. It's 7. So I'll divide it into 7 portions. 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Try to make the portions equal. 1, 2, 3. So this will be 3 by 7. If it was 4 by 9, so again less than 1. So you will divide this 1 into 9 portions like this. Let's take 0, 1. How many portions? 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have to make it little more nicely so that it becomes 9. Right? These portions will be 9 portions, and out of that, दो आगे बना देती हूँ. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, right? Now so 4 by 9, 1 portion, 2 portion, 3 portion, and this is your 4 upon 9. So denominator shows how many divisions you have to make in 1 unit. If it contains any whole number, surely we will travel till that whole number, and extra 3 by 7 I will take in between these two.